Do I look good, my dear? Why do people, like white people in competitions, always think like that?
That's their soul.
Can I skinny life just last year?
Can you shut up?
They always so with the guitar. Can I skinny life just last year?
Chubby like the Narcos.
Narcos.
Got dope like Pablo.
Pablo.
Got dope like Draco.
Draco.
On the north like Diego.
Here you go.
Say hasta luego.
Where you go?
In the kilo. She knows the potato. Straight out the junk.
Yeah.
This real rap, no mumble.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Hey.
Okay, so today Ari is gonna she's gonna beat my face. That's what's happening today. I'm actually very nervous because I don't let anybody touch my face or my hair, because every single time I've done my makeup, like a makeup artist has done my makeup, they have never done it properly. It's always like the last one I went to like chopped off pieces of my eyebrows because she couldn't like get the shape. I don't know. It's just never been a good experience.
But I'm here to change that, because you know your girl got them skills. Okay, I don't, but yeah.
Anyway, so she's gonna beat my face.
This is my brush. Where is it? Change the eyebrow pencil. Cynara, what is this? What is this?
I don't know. You have to prime me first and
Cynara,
set my primer. You have to prime me and set my primer.
I'm looking for my eyebrow pencil.
Why?
I'm not use yours.
I got home.
Okay. What you say, Voodoo? Prime?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the NYX pore filler and the hangover primer.
I don't like
Hopefully
that
my
primer.
hands are clean.
I hate that primer.
The pore filler or the...
No, the.
Oh, I love it! Oh, this is gonna be...
It's so greasy. Like
the
it's
best
so,
day
it's so,
ever.
It's not. It doesn't work well with my skin. Are you squeezing it like she's topping it? You know when people have lotion. Oh, so we had an idea. This is a very random like filming experience. So I feel like we should have probably like asked questions and like do a Q&A or whatever. So what we did,
ask questions?
no, as in like we should have told people to ask us questions.
Oh.
Yeah. But since we didn't do that,
let's answer stuff anyway, or do a tag or scroll through.
We're just gonna scroll through social media. We're gonna show like. Oh
Is this a beard?
Leave my hair alone. Yeah, it's a hair.
Okay, so I'm only gonna put the hangover primer like on. Jesus Christ.
I have no face.
I've never done somebody else's makeup like this in depth before.
Your hands are so soft.
Thanks.
I hope they're clean. Really hope they're clean. You didn't even want your sponges.
Okay, so I'm mostly gonna just disregard Cynara's entire makeup routine and do what I want to do. Anyway, let's get to the video. Let's get to the makeup, because you know we're serving looks. You have to spell it on the screen for me. Alright, so the only thing I'm not gonna disregard right now is her setting her primer. So this is RCMA powder. She doesn't like it because it's white, but I'm gonna use it to set her face anyway.
This is brush itches.
It's because it's like prickly.
It's synthetic?
I don't know.
Oh.
This is a MAC 168 brush. I don't think I put primer on here, but it's okay.
It's not okay. So now I'm just scrolling on Instagram because
this video is gonna be silent if she doesn't.
Literally.
Oh,
OMG!
Is she recording this?
Wow, she's so. Oh my gosh, I stand. If you guys don't know, I love Solange.
She loves
so
anything
much.
like black and natural.
Why'd you say it like that? Like, should I be ashamed of being proud?
No, I'm just saying she loves like earthy, natural. What color do you use to like? I'm also squeezing this on the back of my hand. I know she hates that.
Oh my god, it's so disgusting. Ah!
Okay, so I'm starting out with carving out your eyebrows since they're unkempt.
I'm kind of offended.
I can't.
You're outlining it before you fill it in?
Yeah, I do that sometimes.
Why?
Does it help me?
Help you do what?
Like,
you know
get
what
the idea of like how I want the eyebrow to look. Also, she likes like thick, like thicker eyebrows that aren't as like arched, but we're going arched today and thinner. So just slightly thinner. Usually you can't shave off your head.
Guys, I just did this really nice wash and go. It actually turned out well.
The one that you posted on Insta?
What do you mean the one that I posted on Insta? That was yesterday. It's the same hair. First of all, the only thing I can say is the red table talk thing with Jordan Woods.
Oh yeah?
And I was like, I'm watching it. I honestly do not care. Like, I probably could not care less, but I don't know. I like when people spill tea, you know? And also, I love Jada Pinkett. Like, her red table talk is actually very insightful. So, why not? Because I don't know why people are acting like she's 21. Like, okay, it's not that serious.
She's 21?
Yes, like, she's a child. Like, it's not that serious. And I know for a fact those Kardashians people, I know they're doing worse at 21.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
And you know what, Chloe? Honestly, I cannot feel sorry for you because I don't know why. I literally cannot feel sorry for her.
I hate all of the Kardashian Jenners, so I mean,
I don't even hate them. It's just like it's kind of like annoying and overbearing that like it's the only thing on social media now.
Yeah.
It's literally like every major event somehow revolves around them, and it's just like, why are we giving these people so much power? Is this working?
What?
My eyebrows?
Slightly, but I love it anyway because it's like.
It's like, what is that even
like
mean?
sexy vibes.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
What, you like it?
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, I don't like it.
Ooh, you should see it on camera. Also, Cynara's eyebrows are like, they're just long.
Yeah, like they're not thick, they're just literally long. First of all, I feel like the whole Jordan Woods thing is so fake. I feel like it's a publicity stuff.
Yeah, more than that.
First of all, Tristan Thompson, nobody has said anything about me since I've been about Jordan. And I mean, like, I get it because like she was their friend. I mean, like, you can't expect it from him. Treat it once, treat it new. It's gonna be a trend at some point, you know. So it's like you expect it from him, but it's like she's her best friend or whatever. As much as I care, which is not a lot, but yeah, people need to leave her alone. Also, she's cute, so I stand. So that's a really bad reason.
Yeah, that's definitely a bad reason to stand someone.
But I'm gonna stand her because everybody hates her.
I love when you know nothing about her.
She is young. She's
okay.
21. She's Kylie's.
You said the same thing twice. She's 21. She's young.
She's Kylie's friend.
So that means I shouldn't like her.
She comes from money. Apparently, like the Smiths, Will Smiths, they're like her uncle, aunt, whatever. So like people keep acting like she grew up, she has money because of Kylie, and it's like sis did have money. How you thought they met?
Okay, guess whose eyebrows are almost done.
I'm so uncomfortable.
You shouldn't because they're gorgeous. People in the comments are like roasting me like, my girl, eyebrows don't look good.
Wow, I hope they drag you. Drag her. Don't be afraid.
Siri, play. I suddenly can't think of any like bad mind music.
I mean, I acting.
Yeah.
Bad mind is better. Is that acting?
They're slightly uneven, but that's fine.
That's fine. My brows are uneven in general. I really want to see.
No.
People never get my eyebrows.
All right, now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow, and the first thing I'm gonna do is use some concealer, like over your eyelid.
I'll just insert a picture of what she's supposed to be going off of.
This is my lifelong dream, guys.
I don't know why, because I feel like I'm just like the most person. Like I don't, it's like here or there. I don't know why you don't do my makeup. I'm also so picky.
Probably that's why. She looks so stupid. Let's blend out the one on top as well.
Oh my gosh, I hate halo eyes. You know, people do like use like this extremely like concealer. Guys, it's 2019. Stop doing that.
You're gonna tell them what to do with their own makeup.
I mean, though it makes you happy, but it doesn't make me happy. Just telling you.
You guys play games on your phone? I play Homescapes currently and like Crowd City.
I have no games on my phone. My phone literally looks like. First of all, this is like 32 gigs. Literally, it's just like my pictures. I have no music. I have nothing. My phone is just here, like.
Okay, this is the look we're going for, guys. I think she used a color like this, that's slightly red, as well as like a darker brown. So I'm gonna use these two. Look how this look good. Oh my. You remember the makeup all the time.
I'm never letting you touch my face again.
And
when did you start makeup?
Makeup when I was in like 5th form. You guys do not want to see those pictures. I'm gonna go in with these two two colors, or maybe just this one because the girl is like orange. So I'm gonna just use this one lightly.
I remember the first time I did makeup was grade 12. It was grade 12 fair, Immaculate Fair. Yeah, so I went and I bought this Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse that was like 2 shades lighter than my skin.
I had that foundation, you know? That's my first foundation.
I feel like that's everybody starts a foundation. I had the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse and it was 2 shades lighter than me.
You got a goodie?
I bought the foundation and I bought fawn and I did my eyebrows with fawn. And I did my under eye highlight with fawn. So I remember my face started like 2 shades lighter. I'm gonna insert a picture. And then I had like terrible eyeshadow. Like I did just like swipe a shadow like across my eye. And I had all this, I think, oh my gosh, let me find the picture. Why Instagram is so difficult to maneuver. Where do you even find your archived pictures?
Look, let me see it in the camera. Woo, leave over head. Start from faces. I love how not enthused you are.
No, because I'm mad stressed out because I have to find the archived pictures.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a...
Wait, but I need to find out where the archive things are.
She went in with a deeper color.
Why are you ignoring me? It's going to stress me out if I don't find it. How to find archived photos. Instagram. What?
Now I'm gonna deepen up the crease. I'm gonna use...
That is the most random button ever. Guys, the archive button is this clock. I don't know if you can see, but it's literally the clock in the corner.
Do you watch on YouTube?
I love watching Jackie I Know. I'm actually gonna
like... I Know?
Mom, okay, I can't talk with my eyes closed. I like watching these cool people on YouTube. They're called PAQ. They're this basically this group of creatives and they do like videos, they create content, they do styling, and they have like a challenge every video, and I really like that. They're really cool.
The ones with the sneaker thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
I like Alia's face.
Yeah, she's funny.
She's really funny. I love people like that with like really big personalities because I feel like we do but we in our own way.
Yeah.
Like we're not like we're very chill.
What were you looking at the girl today? You're setting energy.
I do not watch those videos. I feel like there's this stereotype. And you know what? I think it's because of my hair.
Cynara, you're literally like that. You're like candles.
Okay, I like hair and I have natural hair and I like candles.
And
who doesn't like candles? That doesn't mean I'm like
essence and what was incense? There we go. I said essence.
Okay, I burned incense a couple times. Everybody likes incense. I guess I'm natural, earthy, whatever that even means.
Yeah, so she want like unlock her 5th chakra.
I don't want to unlock any of my chakras. I don't know what that means.
And I'm gonna go on the outer.
It's definitely my brush.
V. Who tell you that? No.
Alright, we have the same brushes then.
Cynara, you have one like this, but mine is better.
How does that even make sense?
I don't know.
How? Ari literally lives for roasting me. That's all she does. She's very mean. She's very mean, but she's also like very nice. But I'm not gonna say anything there.
So I'm going into the Morphe 15D palette because she has this color which seems to be darker than all of my other colors. It's called Sweet. What's it?
This eyeshadow thing is wild because I don't think I've ever done my eyeshadow like this much. Like I usually just put on 3 colors and that's it. That's the most that ever happens. I don't know. I'm not that big on, guys. I don't know. My makeup skills just like got really good the other day. So
really good.
Let's relax.
So all I did was cut her crease and darken up the outside. Yeah, so that's all I did, and I cut her crease. So now I'm about to put in the
very messily.
Wow.
I haven't seen, but she was making these sounds. So I look cute. I'm so nervous. So I'm gonna take the shade Highlight from the 15D palette as well. Ooh, The Morphe 35. Cynara. Cynara. What?
Cynara. You not hear me, you know?
Okay. Okay, a lot is happening right now.
You should definitely hire me to like do your makeup all the time.
Wow. Higher. Let Cyn to pay.
Let the record show that Cynara doesn't want to pay creatives.
No, I don't want to pay you.
Wow. Ooh. Sorry. This eye eye, like the cut crease, looks really, really nice on this eye.
Okay, I'll angle myself.
Yeah, just like that. This eye is really cooperating.
It's because you're right-handed.
Ooh, probably. Wow, that's so
I just debunked your entire theory. I low-key feel like our channel is strange because I feel like we're nerds. Like, I feel like we're not cool. We're not cool. You know how you see some YouTubers and they're like, they're cool and they have their life together. And
yeah.
like, I feel like we're always like on the cusp of giving up. You know, we're going with the flow. So when you come to this channel, don't expect structure.
We're just excited.
We're just going with the flow. We're enjoying ourselves. We're having fun.
Let me do the thing that YouTubers do. I don't know if you guys can see.
Oh my gosh.
L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner.
Oh wait, that nail is gone. Let me hide it. I feel like it's harder to do like dark skin people. Well, the hardest part with doing makeup for dark skin people is that just to match it. Yeah. Because sometimes, you know, like a lot of them have like hyperpigmentation. Why did I just say them? I'm also dark skinned.
Okay, this wing, it doesn't look anything like the other one, open. But it's still cute.
I love how happy you are. She gets so happy with the weirdest things, like packages. So aren't you gonna do like my lashes and all that?
I want to put on your lashes after.
Why would you? Okay. So if you guys don't know, she's gonna use my foundation, which is a Fenty. If you guys knew that it was red, here's a quick tip.
If your foundation is too red, just add a little bit of the green color corrector from LA Girl and it will help like balance it out. Yeah, I can't bother mix it.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, just experiment on my face.
Facts.
Should probably blend it in with the sponge. She's dropped it. Do you know how much foundation that is? Okay, wow, that's very rough.
I'm also very rough when I apply foundation.
First of all, the soap does magnetic wash. The sponge does not.
I never wash it. When wet it
oh my god, you didn't? Ariel. Oh my gosh, it's dirty. Stop. Oh, the germs. Oh god, my face. You didn't wash the beauty blender? Hopefully this video gets on you.
YouTube, where them checks?
Where them brand trips at? Where the Fashion Nova discount code at?
Facts. I never bought anything from Fashion Nova.
I stand. I like your brand. I'll do try-ons. You send me free stuff. Do I look airbrushed? I'd never use a sponge to blend over makeup.
Oh. That's one. A piece of sponge just came off on your forehead.
Oh yeah, this sponge is really old.
Let me see how your face looks. Ooh, we stand a queen, a beautiful black queen. I'm just not gonna cake it on like what you do.
Oh my gosh, you have to cake it on.
I'm not gonna cake it on.
Please cake it on.
I'm not gonna cake it
Guys, I love them on the eyes are bright. I hate people. Oh, you gotta be natural. Like, why you have to do natural? We're doing makeup. Like, come on. Are you dragging my concealer? How dare you?
No, you never did that. I
know them waiting. Wait, why aren't you doing my chin?
Wait, what?
Oh. Did you put on my chin?
No.
Why not?
Because I usually just take the excess.
Oh my gosh, I hate people that take the excess of anything. Like, why not just put more makeup?
You're looking at the excess, not that much.
Guys, I do a lot with like my face makeup, like the base. That's the most important part. But otherwise, like, I'll do gloss and no eyeshadow and mascara. Like, as long as the base is good, I'm good.
Ooh, you know what we do? We stand.
Oh my god. This is the happiest I've ever seen Ariel to film a video. Yeah, my makeup is never organized. I don't have the covers for anything. I don't have...
That got beard dusting.
Do you see how much powder you're dusting off of the powder brush?
Beard dust. It's slightly light, just slightly.
I know you see me standing here.
Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara on her eyelashes right now. That's because that's the only one that we have. So let's go. This thing literally smells like grease and
motor oil.
Okay, open. Slowly.
You said slowly and I threw them open.
Alright, stop. Look up so much. No, stop.
Oh. I'm gonna put
looking up.
Sorry.
What are you over there doing?
What are you doing now?
I'm applying glue to the eyelash. You okay?
No. You see this beat? My eyes are closed. I can't see anything, but you know, I feel it within my soul.
Oh, your eyelashes are so curly. I can see like the difference. You look so full. Eyelashes are so extra.
You know what's funny? They feel extra like.
I feel these lashes are too extra.
Oh.
So let's peel them shits off.
Okay.
Did that hurt?
No.
And I'm using the Becca and there's like a little teeny piece of Fenty in there because
it broke.
Yeah, it broke. Okay guys, we're back. The lip color didn't work out before, so now we're gonna give her a brown. You can do? Maybe not. Alright.
Okay, I'm not looking at my face, I'm just gonna draw my lips in.
We're gonna do the Fenty gloss on top because you know that's always a classic. Shout out Riri. The look is complete. We love it. We stand. We stand. We stand. We're gonna give her a mirror.
Wow. Wow. I am low-key shook. These eyelashes are so dramatic.
Yeah.
They're doing so much. They're unnecessary. Wow. This is like an eye look. Wow, it feels so dramatic. The inner one for this one is so wild. Do you see it?
Yeah, that's what it
so
was
wild
with the other one, but it was like thicker, so it looked more dramatic.
Wow.
Guys, she loves it.
I'm actually so shook. I'm actually so shook. Wow, damn, I was low-key gonna roast you.
Excuse me, I'm the makeup queen. Okay,
I'm so sad. I was really going to roast you.
Wow.
There's makeup all over my teeth and you have me smiling. I'm actually so shook, guys. Like, my face actually turned out nice. I was low-key gonna roast her, so she passed, whatever. But yeah, I'm shook. Like, I don't wear lashes like these. This is so dramatic. Wow, it's like, wow, my eyebrows are so small. They're so small. Kind of uncomfortable, but it's fine. Wow, what do you guys think? I think she did a great job.